me show you the timer and stopwatch on this Huawei Watch Fit 3. To launch it, press this button basically, and you can find your stopwatch timer here in the app list basically. So let's see what the stopwatch looks like. So we can start it and also take a lap measurement and pause it. Then also we can go back to the main screen and it will keep running in the background. At the top you can see this icon that it's running in the background. So unlike on the previous Watch Fit 2, it won't show the stopwatch location, so information here. So that's kind of bummer for me at least. Okay, let's go back, and to access it we have to go back here. Also, it does not show this stopwatch remaining time on the main screen as well, which again is kind of sucks really. Then let's check out the timers, and by default we get these quick thingies that we can simply press and a timer will start basically. You can pause it, resume it and reset it basically. Let's see what it looks like. As you see, it's running in the background and it shows there. Unfortunately, again, it's not like displaying the remaining time on the main watch face, and you can't get that. On like Samsung Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch, you can set it up to be like that. Okay, let's see how it looks like. And as you see, it vibrates, and it vibrates pretty fiercely. As you can see, it's moving itself. And we can either quit it or press this on and essentially start another one very quickly. Then also you can customize these buttons on the front here to access the timer and stopwatch as well. So let's click on the set, click custom. Okay, then select where you want to add it basically. Then scroll. So you can select timer and stopwatch. You can also select, for example, flashlight. And yeah, so we can set for timer. Okay, and we can quickly launch the timer from the main screen now. And yeah, it's very useful. Again, I really wish they display the remaining time on the main watch face. That's a negative indeed. Anyway, if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos about this watch, then make sure to subscribe, as I have plenty more coming. See you!